Hello. Mukbang time. McDonald's. Woo! I can't get no sauce. So my sister ordered McDonald's. 20 chicken nuggets. She only gave us each one. What can you do? Give us more chicken nuggets. Give me some sauce. Anyway, what I ordered was a double quarter pounder BLT, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know you were.
Shut up. It looks like a picture. Beautiful. Like the ads. Can I get some juice? Cranberry on the rocks. I'm not joking. Since somebody got me some juice. Just like I said, choke. Now here's the burger. Let me hold it. It's a little bit chilly. We did Uber Eats. It took a little bit too long. Look good. Picture. Perfect. Oh my god, it's so sweet.
Sorry, there's no ice, so you can't get it on the rocks. It's just flat.
That's fine, I'll still drink it.
Oh, I thought she finished.
Excuse me. For another bite. And now, since we're out eating, the doggy is not barking. Usually he comes for me. But I give him a look and he turns around because he knows better. You know, surprisingly, there's like how many McDonald's in the area? Actually, there's 2. Yeah, there's 2. Uh-oh. Here's a dog. Hi, Lee. Sorry, you can't have it. No. It's not good for you. Bye. See, he come. Now he's gone. Luckily. His name's Leo. He's a Shih Tzu, but he's probably mixed with something else. We just don't know. Does DNA help? I don't know. Crystal, can we do DNA test on him?
On who?
On Leo?
I don't know.
She don't know. Pickles. Forgot napkin, but she's good. One thing I wish was that there are Wendy's nearby. No, Wendy's has pretty good food, but not in the area. So I have to deal with this. What other food places do we have? We just got Taco Bell. We also have pizza. Huh? In terms of like fast food like this.
Yeah, Chinese is considered fast.
Chinese food. In terms of like burger joints, I mean, guys, like we don't have Burger King, do we?
A&W.
Where? I think so.
Hell, you know we there. Wendy's.
Where?
On Western Road.
That's not too close. Is that walking distance? No.
No.
There you go.
Get for a pressure checks.
I'm talking about major corporations, bro.
It's a community delicacy.
They're giving me community delicacies. We don't even go there. Excuse me. I'm a burper. Or is it a belcher?
Yeah.
Am I a Danielle Belcher? Like Bob's Burgers and the Belchers? Almost done. I'm probably gonna feel terrible after eating all this. So unhealthy, but so good. I need napkins. Forget it, I'm not home. Who cares? You know, I don't really know why I love cranberry juice. Excuse me. It's like bitter, sweet, sour. So good. You know what it's like? Cranberry and alcohol. That's the end of it. Done the burger. Almost done my juice. Juice is done. Alright. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching my mukbang video. Is it mukbang? Mukbang. It was fun.
You sent a video.
Quiet. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.